Not everything that I wanted to put on here, but what I got here, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 locomotives. Don't have all the cars that I want on it, but I'm working on it. But I got to get ready for work, so I got to break this down and get out of here. But I thought I'd send you a quick video of a lash up I tried today. I got that reverse loop in here. The new reverser. Man, that thing works great. It's let's see if I can. Yeah, there it is. Right there. Maybe I can back up just a little bit. Yep. Thing works great. It's solid as a rock, man. That thing is badass. We got Bob over here being the mad scientist. And so I'm gonna spot this. I got I put the longer shanks on the Norfolk Southern. Okay. Say hi, Bob.
Hey!
Hey!